Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're returning back, thank you for coming back. But first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button so you can have fresh new content from me every single week. Okay, so we are going to make a watermelon. Yeah, you heard me. A watermelon smoothie made with watermelon yogurt, and I do have some plain yogurt as well that I'm going to put. So this is my almond milk I have in here. You can use any milk that you choose or like that you have at home. I just prefer almond milk, so I have almond milk. I am going to add a couple tablespoons of oatmeal, only because it helps thicken, and then we have the added fiber. So all the ingredients and measurements will be included in this video for you. So now we have our extra dose of fiber. All right, now we want to add our yogurt. This is the plain yogurt I have, and then I'm going to add the watermelon yogurt. Our watermelon smoothie vitamin content is watermelon yogurt, A, D, calcium, potassium, and iron. Almond milk, A, D, E, and calcium. Watermelon, A, B5, C, and potassium. Condensed milk, A, B12, D, and calcium. Protein powder, B6, B12, riboflavin, and thiamine. Pantothenic acid, selenium, zinc, and oatmeal. B1, manganese, biotin, and it's high in fiber. Now I'm going to use a non-flavor protein powder. You can use whatever protein powder you choose and you like. Okay, adding the last of the watermelon yogurt in here. And then I have my little bit of my condensed milk for a little bit of the sweetness to kind of tone down the twang and the tang from the yogurt. I know you're probably thinking, oh, watermelon, it's already all sweet. Don't forget that's not necessarily true because it is yogurt. And let me get a scoop of protein here, protein powder. Okay. So now we're going to add, I had some frozen watermelon balls, say, for that thickness. Okay, so I'm going to add a couple pieces of fresh watermelon as well. And the juice. And a couple pieces of ice. Now we're going to blend our smoothie, our watermelon smoothie. And here are a list of ingredients. We have our watermelon smoothie we're pouring here. Did you know 1 in 18 Asian Americans are food insecure? So we have our watermelon smoothie here, and our resident taste tester Gio's here, and he's going to let us know how it turned out.
Well, let's see. So it actually tastes a lot like watermelon Sour Patch.
What?
It's also very refreshing at the same time because it's all the watermelon and stuff combined. So it's really good in my opinion.
Okay, so now he mentions Sour Patch, so that means that's the tanginess again from the yogurt. So that means it may not be, that's exactly why I had put some condensed milk in it. Or you want to put maple syrup or agave or, swerve, whatever type of sweetener that you may use, or even regular sugar if you want to. So it may not be enough of the sugar possibly. I'll taste it. That's what he's saying, Sour Patch. I don't like sour things, so I don't know.
Well, it's not sour, it's just how it tastes.
Tastes very much like a watermelon sickle. And I'm saying sickle like a creamsicle, so it tastes like that watermelon creaminess. I will say it's not overly sweet like how watermelon is. So if you're someone who likes things a lot sweeter, then you would definitely want to probably add more maple syrup or whatever sweetener you use. For me, it's just fine. I thank you so much for hanging out with Gio and I today. Come back and watch us in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself and God bless you.